It was quite a day for getting pictures of little birds. In the North Burial Ground, I started off the morning with a Junco, always one of my favorite winter birds. Later I went to the Seekonk River forest and we get some buffleheads flying, and that's a pretty good sight. I have never before gotten pictures of a kinglet. I'm pretty sure this is a golden crowned kinglet, and there's probably several different ones that you get pictures of. At least one is of a male. The last one, towards the end of this video, will be a male. It's got a little bit of red mixed in with the yellow. This one seems to have all yellow and is probably a female. Kinglets are among the smallest of North American songbirds. A couple of clips of a nuthatch working up and down a tree. They always work head down and they pick little insects off of the bark. And you got one here, and then the same bird, we get another set of pictures of it on the trunk. And they're amazing little critters. I got some good pictures of titmice the other day. This time the coloration is bad. The light was just not right for the titmice, but their motion is pretty cool, so I included here. More pictures of the kinglet. This one I think is the male because it's got a little bit of red in among the yellow on the crown. And we end this adventure with probably the best picture of the titmouse for the day.